Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon poke bowl full guide. Start by rinsing rice and cooking it to slightly sticky texture, then cool it a bit. While rice cooks, slice salmon into bite-sized cubes, chop vegetables, and mix a simple soy sesame marinade. Assemble bowls with rice, salmon, crunchy toppings, and a drizzle of sauce for balanced flavor and texture. Gather ingredients before you begin to make assembly smooth and fun. You will need sushi-grade salmon, short-grain rice, rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, green onion, cucumber, avocado, and sesame seeds. Keep garnishes like nori, pickled ginger, or spicy mayo nearby. Measure sauces so you can adjust salt and heat quickly, and have a bowl ready for marinating the salmon for just a few minutes. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It's perfect for carrying while you chop, marinate, and plate without spilling. Check the description for the link and more deals so you can grab one if you like it. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Start with rice so it has time to cool while you prep the rest. Cube salmon and toss it in a light soy sesame marinade for a few minutes to let flavors cling. Slice vegetables and prepare creamy elements like avocado or spicy mayo. Layer bowls with rice first, add salmon, then bright veggies and crunchy toppings. Taste and adjust seasoning to balance salt, acid, and heat before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.